Are you ready to take your listening experience to the next level? Say hello to the TOZO NC3, the true wireless earbuds designed to give you crystal clear sound, all-day comfort, and a noise-canceling experience. Whether you're working, exercising, or just escaping into your favorite playlist, the TOZO NC3 has everything you need to enjoy an immersive audio experience without distractions. Let's dive in. Sound. A soft, smooth melody begins playing in the background. First, let's talk about sound quality. The TOZO NC3 delivers premium sound with rich bass, crisp highs, and a balanced mid-range, all optimized with the latest 6mm dynamic drivers. But here's the game changer: active noise cancellation. The TOZO NC3 uses advanced noise-canceling technology to block out the world around you, letting you focus on what matters most. Whether you're at the gym, on a crowded train, or trying to tune out distractions at work, the NC3 makes sure the only thing you hear is your audio, pure, and when we say comfortable, we mean it. The TOZO NC3 earbuds come with ergonomically designed tips that mold to the shape of your ear for a secure, comfortable fit. With multiple sizes of soft silicone ear tips, you can find the perfect fit for all-day wear without any discomfort. And with an IPX6 water resistance rating, these earbuds are sweat-proof and weather-resistant. So no matter what your day holds, the TOZO NC3 is ready to go, ready to take calls. The TOZO NC3 has you covered with a built-in microphone for crystal-clear voice calls, even in noisy environments. Whether you're on a business call or chatting with friends, your voice will be clear and easy to hear. Get yours today and experience the future of audio today. The TOZO NC3, your world, your sound.